To become a Grubhub driver in Canada, start by going to the Grubhub website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will need to provide your vehicle information, including the make, model, and year of your vehicle, as well as a valid Canadian driver's license. Ensure your vehicle meets Grubhub's requirements, which typically includes having a reliable vehicle, a valid insurance policy, and a clean driving record. After providing your vehicle information, you will need to consent to a background check, which is a standard requirement for all Grubhub drivers. This check will verify your identity and driving history. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will need to download the Grubhub Driver app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app will guide you through the process of setting up your account and getting started with making deliveries. Before you start making deliveries, make sure you have a valid payment method linked to your account, such as a bank account or debit card. Grubhub will deposit your earnings into this account on a weekly basis. To maximize your earnings as a Grubhub driver, consider working during peak hours, such as lunch and dinner times, and be prepared to work in a fast-paced environment. It is also essential to provide excellent customer service, as this will increase your chances of receiving tips and positive reviews. Finally, familiarize yourself with Grubhub's terms and conditions, as well as their policies and procedures. This will help you to avoid any issues or penalties and ensure a smooth and successful experience as a Grubhub driver in Canada. By following these steps and best practices, you can start making money as a Grubhub driver and enjoy the flexibility and independence that comes with it.